It's February 2nd, but we're headed down to Black Diamond, and they got a pretty cool mom and pop style bakery there. Gonna sync up with the homies. One of the guys just picked up a Ducati V4s, so looking forward to seeing it in person. It looks beautiful from the pictures. These twisty roads are nice. Get the bike leaned over a little bit. I got a new front tire. I don't know if I mentioned on my previous videos, but on my last track day, or second to last track day, I dented my front rim, and I ended up finding a replacement on eBay, so it came as the whole new rim and the tire already mounted. So I should let these tires warm up though before I get into anything intense. Alright, let's find the bikes. Let's see if they're still here, or we gotta play catch up. Oh, I see them. Alright guys, we made it. Ducati V4s, Ducati V4 naked, $11.99 Panigale, R1M, and ZX10-R. I gotta get a picture of this and send it to the guys. Every day we celebrate. Ducati team. Yeah. I took the Kawasaki in for the first service. You know how much it was? $109. That's it. It's Japanese bikes.
Nice. That's 500 in Ducati money.
Yeah. V4s. Woo! Look at that. New V4s sounds good. He's got the GoPro remote, TFT display, GoPro remote. It's got a really soft clutch pull. Damn, that's like Ninja 400 clutch, you know? Super light. It's got a really light clutch pull. Got all the bikes lined up. Just had breakfast at the Black Diamond Bakery and Restaurant. Good group ride. So we got an R1M, got the 10R, V4, $11.99 Panigale, MT09. I just took this thing out for a spin and this thing feels so good. That quick shift is amazing up and down, super smooth. The 10R is a little clunky when on the downshifts, but this thing is like butter. Beautiful. I don't know guys, that Ducati felt so good. Might have to consider one of these. Alright, so we got Aurora Poppy hopping on the V4s. Jericho's got the V4s naked. Street Fighter. Check out those headlights. Stock, even OEM exhaust sounds really good. So we're turning today's video into a bike feature. That color combo with the red, carbon, silver. Hey Nori, what's a T-gas mean? What's that stand for?
T-gas means hard.
Heart?
Hard penis.
I thought it meant Loganisa. All right, we got the $11.99 Panigale. Gerald just picked this up. We got Jericho trying out all the Ducatis here. Z1000. Woo! Yoshimura exhaust. What's going on, brother? Alright guys, so with some more bikes showed up to the party, we're gonna head to the greenhouse, what they call it. Never been there before. And then I'm gonna take off. I gotta go paint a bedroom. I'm gonna stick with these guys for a little longer, and then I'll go my separate way. Yeah, these are summer gloves. My hands are freezing in these things. Let me see that. That's cool.
I think it's the same one.
No, these are Alpine Stars.
These are Alpine Stars.
Oh shoot, maybe they are the same. Let's listen to these sweet bikes start up. R1M first. Woo! Woo! Sounds good. V4s. MT09. Z1000. 1199. Like this carbon fiber, yeah. Carbon fiber, save weight, a lot less weight. This thing's super comfortable. It's got Olin suspension, front and rear. This thing's like the perfect cruiser bike. Got a nice tall fairing windshield. So Puig, high-tech parts, quality parts. Block that wind. Look at that remote reservoir for the Olins. Clean. I'm just out here admiring people's bikes today. Carbon fiber for days. Gixxer S. Pristine. Alright, tailing 2 V4Ss. Woo! Not sure where the other homie went. R1M. Woo! There he goes. Woo! There he goes. Woo! There goes the V4. V4S. Big Mike taking out the V4S. Everyone's testing out the V4S today. Here we go. Here we go. Big Mike. Gonna rip it on the V4S. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we got Mike on the V4S. Oh, he stalled it. He straight stalled it!
You went uphill, that's why.
Alright guys, thanks for following along. I'm gonna call it a day. These guys are headed to Dainese in Seattle, my favorite shop. But I got some things to do around the house. I gotta paint the house, so we're gonna call it a day. So thanks for coming along for the ride this time, guys. And I'll catch you guys on a future video. Peace.